Did you just fart? Ew.
You festy bitch.
Maybe I should put my top on it.
Pillow to sit on, Maddie?
Yes, doll, I would love that. Hey guys, it's Maddie and Jessie.
Sit.
Oh.
I'm ugly.
No, you're not, you idiot. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's Maddie and...
Ew, do we have to do that?
Okay, fine, Jessie. We already did our bases. We've already got our like foundation and brows, and sorry, I'm filming on a stool right now because I forgot to bring my tripod to Burley, which is where we are right now. So all we've got left is eye makeup, and we were inspired by our 12-year-old sister Annie.
I'm not doing that anymore.
Oh, you're not? Oh.
Wow, I look so tanned.
Yeah, you actually do. I'm just gonna go right ahead and start. If you've got any questions about what I've got on my base, just let me know. I'm gonna tie my hair back. And also, my skin is textured as heck right now, but you kind of can't really tell. I've been putting sunscreen on my face even though
my dick, Charlotte.
I'm allergic to it. My face is very, not responding well.
Okay, this is better. Oh my god. Gross.
Oh, Jessie has sneezed about 50 times today. And that is no exaggeration. And like, usually I'm sympathetic to people who are sneezing because I always get hay fever, but I friggin' hate your guts right now.
Why? I'm not doing it on purpose.
Well, I think you are.
Are you shitting me?
Ow! Dude! She actually physically abuses all of us.
Are you kidding? It's a joke. Where do you think I get it from? You literally used to punch my shins until there was bruises when I was younger. And called them my bruise gallery or something. Like, where do you think I got it from, you sicko?
I used to kick them, not punch them.
Whatever.
Kicking is a lot more acceptable.
No, it's not. Kicking's worse. Move your freaking fat knee.
I just love it when I'm priming my eyelids and I get the eye primer halfway through my eyebrow after I've already done them. Like, it's my personal fave.
Don't you just hate that time when that happens?
What eye primer are you using, doll?
I don't use eye primer. Okay, let me use your eyeshadow.
Oh, not this palette.
I'm not. Annie, where do you put Maddie's Clara?
Oh my god, my eyelids are a crusty demon.
I want to look really sexy tonight.
Looking to pick up some hotties.
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm
so
always on the prowl.
I am using my gingerbread palette that for some reason I keep calling the peanut butter palette. But I didn't do it on camera, so that's good.
You're such a goofball.
I know. So I'm going to cut the crease, so I don't really care if it's going on my lid. And deepen up the outer corner. Don't worry about keeping up with this bitch right here, because... Hey, wait, I just realized you get the good side. Like, that's my good side.
This is my bad side. I mean, this is my bad side.
It smells like
Yeah, that's what I mean.
sunlight.
You're like this. I can't be like that. You
Jessie.
guys get my bad side, I'm sorry.
Wow, this is looking really good already.
Jessie!
Okay, I just did my other eye with some orange in the crease. Not blending out too well. So I'm just really going in to the direct crease here.
But stop looking at yourself, you stupid narcissistic bitch.
Who?
Me.
I want my makeup to look exactly the same as last night.
Why?
Is that lifestyle science makeup? You look like a naked girl.
That's how I get my 200,000 views on every video.
Yeah, well, imagine if your boyfriend had a list and he picked
Oh.
your titty.
A list and picked his nose. That's not a vibe.
Show me your titties.
Okay,
Wow.
Show me your
sexy girl.
boobs.
Deepen up my outer corner
When you get sleep
with
paralysis.
the orange.
Yeah, when you get to the gates of hell, we're like,
Seriously.
I'm gonna do a cutty crease.
This video is gonna be a bit of a vibe.
Shut
Yeah,
up.
you always say that about videos that you're in.
Because you're boring. Jokes.
You've gone and done it now, Annie.
You've got and pushed their buttons.
I should have actually bought my straightener.
You bought a straightener, dude. Oh wait, you can't use it. How's your walk?
Good. I walked right around to the point.
Vibe.
Up on the hill, there's all the barbecues going on with all the local surfies. Get out there and just smash cans and.
Did you have FOMO?
Fun.
Nah, they're nice brushes.
There's 2 new videos.
Oh, Crystal! My dad just said these are nice brushes. My friend Crystal, she got a new brand.
Daddy approved.
Quartz.
What should I do to make this look less bad?
Throw a bag over it.
I look like Quasimodo. I'm like,
We're having progress, I'm guessing.
Oh, they're so comfy.
oh, get off me. Okay, I am going to cut my crease now. I feel like puking a little bit. Suck at this.
No, like that down.
Just a half cut crease.
And then on your chin.
Oh shit. And I'm over it. I wish I was just good at one thing, you know?
You are.
I'm so average at everything,
No, drawing the
but I'm not good at it.
Annie! Can you blend
Oh, so you come to my channel and play the victim and look for compliments.
Yes. Compliment me.
Alright, so we got some pink. I'm gonna put this color on.
Looks like you've done
You was in the 20s and the 90s.
Wow.
That's how it looks.
I've been using it this whole
Use
time.
the mirror right in front of you, Mandy.
It's too heavy.
Oh, have a stock. I need a palette to use.
Use your own.
Jesse, I did that last
Oh,
time.
Charlotte, you make me want to stab my
Maddie,
eyeballs
what's the
out.
verdict? Shall she use an actual mirror?
Staying out of it.
Well, I need something to use. Jesse, use this brush and then put it on our corner. Stamp it. Stamp.
Oh,
So it just looks like you put on one colour.
I should just quit.
Oh, that's a vibe. I feel like I'm gonna take my Stila
Freaking blend, you piece of shit.
metallic
10 times
thing
better now.
Yeah.
and cut the crease with that, I feel.
Maybe just like.
Let's see how it goes. Duh.
Oh, sorry, Maddie. I forgot to even ask you. Could I please borrow this colour?
Oh, Chaz, you know. Anything for you, doll.
Time for the mascara.
Ugly in that. I'm happy. Weird.
I can't do it. I think it's a Mexican
Okay.
voice now.
Put this.
I
grab
think it
any
will.
brush, and put
I think
it
I might call Matt now and just be like, hey
above
hun, chances of me
the
cheating on
bottom
you
layer.
tonight are high, so is that okay? Can I have a
he will
whole
say-
pass?
See?
You know, some people actually give
puppy.
those ladies permission to actually go cheat on them.
Yeah, it's called a whole pass. Do it all the time.
So freaking weird.
It's how to be
See, look
happy.
at my eyes. Looks like a raccoon.
Where does colours go?
Where does colours go?
Emily's a vibe right now.
Okay. Where do
Emily?
colours go?
Emily's me.
Where do colours go? Put it above.
Okay,
like,
I could, this
See
is
the
the make or
crease you have in
break.
your eye?
This is,
like there. Put it above there.
What goes underneath there then?
The glitters. Put it right there.
What? There.
Yeah.
oh, that's a vibe.
Can I see, please?
Yeah, but I can't really show you properly because it's gonna transfer.
I'm gonna put on a little bit of
Right.
hot buttered rum, Too Faced melted
Why don't you
matte,
do a light colour?
Wait, on the lid.
because I'm gonna do dark and then put light in the middle like an ombre.
Mascara, best mascara ever. Runway Room, nah, it's like equal best.
Go.
With NARS Climax.
Emma wants to-
Charlotte, be the heck quiet.
Oh, that's so embarrassing. Charlotte. You just got me.
It will get off me. I'm putting mascara on. I'll actually stab you if you ruin me.
Cloth bomb.
Thanks, darling.
Look at Emily's makeup. It's actually pretty good.
Do I need more?
No, it's good.
So, Maddie, who's the best kisser you've ever kissed?
Wananga.
That.
Just kidding. That's my ex-boyfriend.
One of.
Yeah, I've had 30 boyfriends.
Matt was.
Focus on me.
Because Matt likes it sloppy toppy.
Matt and I haven't kissed. We're saving for marriage.
Oh no.
Bottom eyelashes are really hard to put mascara on.
I know.
And now for lip gloss, I'm just going to use my trusty old Marc Jacobs hydrating lip gloss stick in Chocolate.
I love it.
And whenever I wear this, everybody's like, oh my god, what you got on your lips, girl?
Even into there and then there.
Me?
Like mixing.
Okay, you hate my guts.
I'll get my own. hot toddy, baby.
Oh my
I
god,
realised
I don't look good. I don't even look good, and that's what I did.
Yeah.
How do you come out like
Annie looks better than all of us.
Well, like, I look good in this
Speak for
screen.
yourself, Jessie.
Why don't I look good in real life?
that?
I just don't suit makeup, and my skin is shit. But like,
I don't see makeup either.
I am mad about it. No, I really am mad about it, but let's keep it
I'm not
positive.
mad.
Okay guys, I'm gonna get dressed and then we're gonna go out for dinner. So
She's vlogging.
I'm vlogging. You won't see the footage till next week though, so yeah.
Stay tuned. Turn
Stay
those post
tuned, you little
notifications on.
bitches. Bye. I love you.